up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it, but before I do, I just want to let you all to know, if you find this information valuable, if you find my content valuable, man, this is like one of the only channels you can close your eyes, scroll, and just click any video, man, and you literally have great content at your fingertips. All right, don't take advantage of this because you never know how much or how long this free content is going to be on here. You don't know if I'm going to move it to another platform, XYZ. I always have things up my sleeve. All right, so definitely take advantage of this, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Somebody that you know can benefit from this content. Okay, also, if you need help with anything, definitely can contact me. The number is in the description. All right. And comment credit help if you need anything, or if this video has something that you like, oh, what does he mean by this? What does he mean by this? Right. Comment credit help below. And that also helps me see and recognize you for my giveaway that I do once per week. All right. We're either going to do a consultation. We're going to do one of my packages, or I'll even cash app you maybe like $100. Right. Not really. Get one of the packages or have a consultation call, because that literally is worth way more than $100. So hopefully none of y'all ask for $100, but if you would like it and you're the winner, you can have it. Like, if that's what you think is most valuable, cool. All right. So today I want to talk to you guys about something that's very, very important. I see a lot of my clients have issues with this when they're coming from like doing credit their sales, or of course, you know, everybody has a story. Somebody did this, somebody did that, right? So I want to help you all with something that's very important when it comes to your credit cleaning. Okay. Now, once you do your dispute process, okay? It doesn't matter if you doing Metro 2, it doesn't matter if you're doing, or you're using law, it doesn't matter if you're using factual disputing, whatever method that it is that you're using, okay? You wanna make sure that when you have the items deleted off of your credit or your consumer report, you wanna make sure that those items cannot come back on there, okay? Now, just because someone has removed that debt, that does not mean that that debt is deleted. A lot of the times, the secondary bureaus will have your debt, okay, still there. So they'll get rid of it for that month due to your disputes. But guess what? Next month, when they go on to do their rounds, like, hey, we got this for you. Hey, we got this for you. That debt can likely get back on there, okay? Now, I help a lot of you guys out with this. So that's why I'm making this video. And it's extremely, extremely important to know that once you've sent all your letters and you've gotten all of your deletions off of your credit report, that doesn't necessarily mean that they aren't coming back, guys. And that doesn't mean that your credit wasn't done correctly. All that means is you didn't securely make sure that they can't put it back on there. And when I say this, I don't necessarily mean freezing the secondary bureaus or suppressing the secondary bureaus, because there's so many data furniture companies, which is all the Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian is. They're just like the largest data collection companies, right? But there's so many data collection companies right now that are definitely working with them as well. So suppressing the ones that you know is beneficial, or it can be beneficial, but at the same time, it's not the end all be all, because I doubt everyone knows which one is tied to what, okay? One suppression may be for collections, one suppression may be for medical debt, one suppression may be for credit cards and things like that, all right? So you wanna make sure that you know what it is that you're doing, and that's why I dropped this video right here, because I'm gonna let you know that 15 USC 1681I A5B, okay? 15 USC 1681I A5B. All right. This makes it illegal. This makes it prohibited for any debt that used to be on your credit that you disputed to come back. Okay. Once you are completely done with your credit repair, you want to make sure that you send these to the 3 credit bureaus as well. Okay. Because that will allow them to have to go through you in order for them to ever put anything back on your credit. All right. Now, remember, guys, I always tell you, and you have to understand what I'm saying. And you have to get educated if you don't understand what I'm saying. OK, because we're not taught these things. All right, these are some things that we got to pick up on our own, but nobody's going to teach you these things, guys. Now, when a debt is off, okay, you must send this letter form using this law to each credit or consumer bureau so that they cannot put it back on your consumer report. Okay. And if they wanted to put it back on your consumer report, guess who they have to go through? They have to go through you. Okay. So once this gets sent in, they're going to have to follow a legal process, meaning they're going to have to contact you at least 5 days before they even think about putting it on there. Okay. Now, if you tell them to only contact you through mail, all right, and they don't have an easy way to get in contact with you, then in a sense, that means that you're now actually controlling what gets on your consumer report in that manner. Okay. I hope that makes so much sense to you guys, because that is powerful. Okay. So with that letter, they'll have to literally contact you with your consent to post whatever that was on your consumer report back onto your consumer report. All right. Not 4 days, not 3 days, not 2 days, not a day, and definitely not just putting it on there without your consent. It must be a minimum of 5 days. All right. And before they even get to that point, they have to make sure that this is your debt. All 3 bureaus. All right. And what do I mean by that? Okay. They have to be fair. All right. Meaning that anything that they go to place on there has to be complete and accurate. Okay. Anything that's not accurate is not complete. And anything that ain't complete, it ain't accurate. Okay. And that goes from every little detail across all bureaus, from the date that it was open, from the account number. Okay. Those stars are not your account number at all. They have to line up, guys. This is not something that they should do. This is something that they must do. Okay. So essentially, you can definitely control whatever gets on there, especially from past debts, by using this law incorporated in your letters. All right. If you need help with anything, as always, whether if it's personal credit, credit cleaning, personal credit building, business credit building, I also have my partnership program, and I also have my masterclass. All right. Which is where I will be literally teaching you everything from A to Z, not just credit, not just about real estate, not just about crypto, not just about selling products, not just about marketing. I'm talking everything. All right. It's very, very, very important. It's very exclusive. If you guys want to know more, of course, you can contact the number in the description. But that's all for me today. That giveaway will be coming soon. I don't know if I'm going to do it in tomorrow's video. I don't know if I'm going to do it into Friday's video. Just make sure y'all comment below. Make sure you're seen, and I'll be with y'all in the next video. I'm out.